Good morning. So today we are going to take a look at our space elevator. And I've decided to go with more of a classic look on mine. So as you can tell here, I'm going to go ahead and take and get rid of this heart because it just doesn't fit my style. However, these rocket boosters, these do fit my style. So we're going to take these and we are going to move these. However, I want with this to have a much more linear design. So I'm taking and I'm moving this ruler right where I can. And we're going to make this one, you can see it's 23 millimeters away from the edge. We're going to duplicate this. And we're going to move this one out further. And we know we're at 200 total. So we know then that if I move this in another 23, I'm at 144. Like that. So I've got my two rocket boosters here. And I want them to be a little bit larger, but not too much larger. So I'm going to hold down Shift and click one and click the second one. Now you notice it has them both highlighted. And now I'm just going to make them a little bit larger. Like that. And I'm going to duplicate them. So Control D will duplicate them. And I'm just going to move them over. I'm going to rotate to the other side. And I'm going to remove these. And really what I'm doing now is I'm looking for this triangle here, this circle here. That's right here. I'm just moving these things 90 degrees. So as you can tell now they're turned sideways. So I'm going to put these out like this and line those up nicely. And then I'm just going to Control D again. And now you notice I've got another set. So I'm going to move these over here. Just like that. Maybe send them a little bit. Control D one more time. And now you'll notice that I've got them turned sideways again because of the way Control D works. Is it rotates them 90 degrees every time. Well, at least mine because I moved my first one 90 degrees. So now I've got my four rockets out here. Four rocket boosters out there. And I think they look pretty good. So I'm going to highlight everything. And I'm going to press Group in order to group them all to my elevator. Like that. However, I also want my people to be able to see outside. So I'm going to grab one of these hollow boxes. And I'm going to put it out here. And I'm going to go, wow, that's a really small box. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to focus on that one thing. Like this. And I'm going to turn it from being 20 into, let's say, 40 by 20 by 80. Just like that. So I've got this very large window. Well, large-ish. I'm just going to push that until it's inside my box like that. I'm going to raise it up. And I think that looks good. So I'm going to Control D to duplicate it. And I'm going to turn and move the box over here. I'm going to click on my space elevator. I'm going to center it on that. And then I'm just going to take my window and I'm going to rotate it by 90 degrees. Because again, squares have four 90-degree angles. I'm going to put that one where I'd like it. I'm going to duplicate it again. And then you'll notice that when I duplicate this one, I'm actually resizing that, which I shouldn't be. So Control D to undo. I'm just going to click and drag that away. And I'm going to switch to another side. And I'm going to rotate it again. And basically, I'm making four windows, which is what you'll be doing. You'll be making four different windows. Try to squeeze in between what you have. When you're done with that, that's the wrong button.